Come with me, let's make this delicious authentic peanut soup together, aka groundnut soup. You understand? So that is what we are making today. Hello, good everyone, you are welcome back. If today is your first time seeing my video, you are highly welcome. In today's video, my people, as you all can see, we are making peanut soup, aka groundnut soup. And groundnut soup, now which one be peanut soup? I beg my people, those English is too much for this soup, you understand? So guys, let's get into the video. As you all can see, I've already washed and cut my meat in the pot. Okay, so I add all my seasonable something I have in my kitchen, and I added it water, so we cover the meat for it to be cooked. And now we just put our beef. Okay, the one I add in the pot before was shaki, those hard meat, and the waiter I said put for inside the pot. So now we just add our beef, so we turn everything together. So we added water again. I added it pepper and oil. Okay, we are using palm oil at this point. I make this soup, guys. I not get banga for us, so we have to use palm oil. So guys, this is the peanut butter we'll be needing on this recipe. Now we are going to be pouring the peanut butter inside the pot of soup. So guys, we are done with that, and I did not want to use the full bottle finish, but later, you know, now my sister not this bit they cook small food, so I have to use everything. Just imagine I don't pour everything inside now. Okay guys, then I added water because the water before was not enough. We are making groundnut soup, guys, not a goosey soup. So you know, when you are making groundnut soup, you need a lot of water inside. So we don't turn and now, then we will come cover and make the groundnut soup for the cook. You understand? Now we are adding our bitter leaf. Go cook groundnut soup without bitter leaf. You know, the two they make sense now. So guys, we are going to be adding our white fish, okay, and micro fish. After that one, my people, we are going to be turning everything together, just the way you are seeing on this video. I test the food and it was not manging enough. You understand? You know what I mean? So I have to add another one maggi, and I added my pepper again and salt. And I can't add my crayfish. Pour on water again because now groundnut soup now we dey make. So my people, if you not see, don't watch this video, share it. Means say you dey enjoy this video, but you don't want follow, you don't want like, you don't want share, you don't want even leave comments. Joe kilo day, what is going on? Oh yeah, now help a sister, help a mother as you do. May God highly bless you. And to my returning followers, I say may God bless you all as soon as they support una get. Our soup is almost ready, neighbor. Oh yeah, now go and bring your bag, bring your pounded and bring your flour rice, bring everything. Swallow. Let's come and enjoy this delicious groundnut soup together. May I eat my with puree and that yellow puree. Now the waiting I used to match my own. You go see now. You understand? So guys, thank you guys for watching, and see you all in my next video. Una bye for now.